As anyone with type 1 diabetes can tell you, managing glucose overnight can be challenging. My glucose fluctuates depending on how much I've exercised that day, or if I've had a late night snack, or sometimes for no reason at all. The FreeStyle Libre 3 system's optional real-time alarms let me know the minute my glucose is high or low, so I can respond right away.
To set or turn on alarms, go to the main menu and tap Alarms. Let's start with the low glucose alarm. Tap the slider to turn the alarm on. If the alarm is on, you'll be notified the minute your glucose crosses the alarm level you set, which is initially set at 70 milligrams per deciliter. If you want to change this value, scroll and choose a value between 60 and 100, then tap Save. Tap Override Do Not Disturb to always play an alarm sound and appear on the lock screen, even if your phone is muted or Do Not Disturb is enabled on your phone. To receive alarms, do not force close the app. If you restart your phone, open the app to ensure it's running in the background. Follow the same steps to set a high glucose alarm. You can also customize your signal loss alarm, which automatically turns on the first time you turn the low or high glucose alarm on. When you receive an alarm, such as a low glucose alarm, it will notify you the minute your glucose crosses the alarm level you set. If your phone is locked, a notification about the alarm will appear on the lock screen. It will indicate your current glucose reading and trend arrow indicating where your glucose is going. Tap the notification to open the app and dismiss the alarm.
The FreeStyle Libre 3 system is designed to fit easily into my life in so many ways. Having up-to-the-minute glucose alarms helps me respond quickly, and they give me peace of mind, especially in the overnight hours.
Learn how to share glucose information from the FreeStyle Libre 3 app to the Libre LinkUp app in the next video.